What's up, guys? I'm back in the woods. Today we're at Patapsco Valley State Park near Baltimore, Maryland. And I'm here with... everybody! Maya, are you ready? Okay. Heavy? So you guys ready? Alright, grab the rail here. We're gonna stretch. 1,000, 2, 1,000. Oh. Alright, we're done, guys. Get back in the car. Get in. That was fun.
In a little bit, I think, because dinner's not gonna be until like 5, 6, you know?
Just playing at the playground right now. So one tiny little singular tree here.
Hi, I'm Jeff.
Alright guys, so we're out here starting our trail walk. We're going to a hanging bridge, right? This way? Whoa! Can we just go there?
You guys want to check it out?
Look, you can see the water. Wow! Whoa, this is cool. You want to go in?
No. I'm always gonna.
Wow, this is awesome. I want to go in. I want to go in, B. Want to go in? Yes. Wow, Adam's having fun. Don't drown. What?
Come on, let's find some glass.
Find some glass? What? Why? So we can stick it into the ground, make our feet bleed?
Yeah.
How'd you?
What's this? I got a big something. I can't get it though. It's deep.
Oh, that's actually a pretty cool rock.
Oh, I do that.
Looks like a volcano rock.
You done.
Keeping it. No, it's
It looks like a burnt meatball. Ooh, ooh. Is it nice? It's just really rocky. Ooh. Oh, it's actually really nice. It's really cold though. I don't know if I'm ready for this. Ready?
cold. You want to go all the way over there?
It's very fresh.
It's on Northie glass.
Maya, splash!
Put it next to my shoes, okay, Audrey? Your feet don't hurt? It hurts. Hi, Adam.
Get dirty.
Picture mo tayo ako ay mataas. Picture mo sila sunod-sunod.
Where are you gonna put all that stuff?
She just has a bunch of rocks?
Collecting them.
Why do so many?
We're going to go to the beach and find more.
Can I see? Whoa, those actually looks kind of cool
You're
though.
digging in my shirt. No! I collected. Guys, hurry up.
Look guys, there's just watermelon. What the heck?
What the hell?
It's days like these where you have to really appreciate that you get the fresh air, especially since we've been in quarantine for about like 4 months. Wow, Maya!
She said 5 miles.
5 miles? Look at this, guys.
Look at the rapids.
Rapids! That's nice. Wow guys, look at all this nature. Look at that natural rock formation. Interesting. Whoa guys, we must be on like on the reservation right now. Look, this is just a teepee. You want to go inside, Jess?
No.
Wow, guys, we've walked so far. We made it to the Great Wall of China. It's a lot smaller than I see in the pictures. Wow, they're climbing the Great Wall of China. Watch out for the archers!
Are you coming?
Yeah? I'm not just gonna stay down here.
I'm not gonna stay down here. Say hi. Hi, I'm cool.
You still wet?
Yeah.
A little bit?
Wow, we really are like in the middle of the woods though. Whoa, it's a bear! We made it out of the woods and now we're just on a road.
Guys, there's zombies, watch out.
Zombies?
Yeah, you gotta hit their brain, okay?
Okay, with what? My camera? Oh.
The microphone.
We made a horrible mistake with navigation. So now we're running back to get the car. Alright, we made it back and we're on a hanging bridge. Whoa, so cool. Wow. Alright, we're on the actual hiking trail now, I think. Going towards the waterfall, right, Abby?
Yeah.
Hopefully we see it. Oh my gosh, this is the steepest incline, like 20. Oh my gosh. You can't even tell in the video, what's the point? But it's very steep. Super steep, Maya. Oh my gosh, guys. Day 4800. Yes, it's been that long out here in the woods. I'm here with, who's that? I'm here with Abby only. We're the last two survivors. Right now we're trying to hunt for some food. Yeah, deer. And we need to find some water. I just now realized we've been passing these really, really fat, big trees. Look, no, we've been passing a bunch actually. Haven't even realized. Look, guys, this one says butts.
Who named your kid Butts?
I had a PE teacher that was butts.
Audrey had a teacher named Miss Butler.
Whose name is 1532? So I've been seeing these blue marks on trees, and I figured that must mean we're going towards the waterfall. It's gotta be.
I need a fan.
Abby just pulling a plant out the ground.
I need a bigger leaf. Gotta wash my hands.
That's your fan? A leaf?
Perfect.
Another blue mark. We're on the right way. We're on the right route. Are you kidding me? Brendan's actually about to poop in the forest. Oh my gosh, he's pooping in the forest. Oh my gosh. Guys. Guys, he's pooping in the forest. Guys. Guys, he's pooping in the forest. Brendan is pooping in the forest.
You guys walk.
Oh my gosh. Alright, we're still walking in the trail here. No, the kids are kind of losing it. It sounded like Maya was acting up. You guys thirsty? You want some fruit punch?
Yeah. Don't touch it.
It's the fall.
Ew. Oh, guys, this is like extremely steep.
Hey, don't go.
Like you saw that rock, but trust me, it's that looks. guys, it's the porta potties at the beginning. Wow, guys, is that the falls? Alright guys, we made it to the falls. It's right behind my head. This was actually a really nice little place. I like it. Hey guys. Huh? I'm on top of the little fall right now. Yeah. I'm just kidding.
Maya.
Wow, Maya.
You like that?
Adam.
I'll hold you. Let it hold you.
Abby, go, put your head into it.
Abigail.
Whoa, that was a lot of fun. But now we're leaving the park, and we're gonna head over to 9 Pad Thai, where I had the most spicy food I've ever eaten, and where I sweat and almost died that day. But yeah, Mama is getting hangry, and I think all the kids are tired. We made it to 9 Pad Thai, and we got the Peruvian chicken again. Please don't let this be spicy. Please don't let this be too spicy. Oh gosh, please. And we're home. Focus. There we go. If you enjoyed that video, guys, please leave a like, share with friends, subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, as always, I'll see you in the next video.